This finally got delivered. 5 days sitting in the warehouse at the Curious because somebody dropped it off in the parcel section, and everyone in the parcel section said, "Oh, that's too heavy, I can't lift it." It took me over 4 days, that's 7-8 phone calls just to get it stuck on the truck. I didn't know what was what and what's wrong, and they said, "Oh yeah, we'll send it." But they all thought it was a parcel, and they tell the driver to pick it up, and the driver would say, "Oh, that's not a parcel." They wouldn't tell anyone. They just leave it behind. So we'll take it off and we'll see what's in here. There it is. Got the lid off. Got the wheels. Wheels aren't fitted, so to move the thing, I have to pull it apart and then jack it up and put the wheels on. That's it so far. There we have it. That's the noise of it.